TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento, TFNN, and they need to turn off the echo, and then we're ready to go. Here we go. We're going to start out with the Treasury bonds here, folks. We had this head and shoulders pattern forming. The Fed came out yesterday and dropped rates. Well, that bond message didn't get through to the bondholders. The bonds have sold off. The reason for that is they're dropping rates on the short-term rate, but the long-term rate still is relatively out of demand. So that's why you're seeing this movement right here. You see the nice patterns that you see. There's your 3 drive to a top pattern. Here's your head and shoulders. Now what we've just made here today, we'll just skip to show you because we're at a real critical level. Just come up here and to show you where we are. There was our low right back here. All right, so we hit a major spot here this morning, folks. Right there on the money. We're sitting there, right there. So this is your profit objective has been reached. So I would certainly, take some profits here and then wait to get to 382 retracement or something like that. That's what I would do. Remember, folks, I do a lot of trading because I'm more interested in how much I'm going to risk as to how much I'm going to make. A perfect example is that, we've been, quite bullish on soybean meal and some other things, and they went a lot higher than we thought, but we did okay, and we didn't risk very much, and that was the whole key, is to follow the plan, and that's what we're trying to do. A lot of news out from China and all over the world, about what's going on with Japan and all that stuff. So these markets are extremely volatile. And I can tell you this is just the beginning, as we can see what's going on, with gold swinging $100 a day and that's not very much, folks. That's 2.5%. So that's just the type of volatility that we're going to be experiencing now. I've been saying that for years, and it's going to continue. We just have to be ready for it. The patterns will help us. They'll lead us to the promised land the best we can, but sometimes they fail, and that's when you've got to get out of Dodge. When we come back from the break, I got some really long-term things that we received from our good friend Jim Bartolioni and T West, and we want to show you what they're looking at because I think you'll be interested. We'll be right back.